Afternoon folks, it's Simon here from Eureka. It is Tuesday and it's D-Rig Day at Black Deer Festival. So I'm just heading there now, just about to leave, to go and get all of our refrigerated trailers out. We've got 4 there this week. We've also got another one at Scrubby's Mansion. So that's it, we're on the road. Loads of tents going up this weekend as well, Thursday, Friday installs, so I'll take you out on those with me as well. Maybe introduce you to some of the boys in our processes. And that's it. Hope you're well. Speak soon. Right folks, we've arrived on site at Black Deer Festival, which is an annual festival in Tunbridge Wells down in Kent. This year we've got 4 fridges here, as I say, and I've just arrived here to check on our fridges and get them out. There's no doubt we're going to need to be doing some cleaning. That certainly needs a freshen up, as expected with festivals, especially with the beautiful British weather. The beautiful British weather, we expect a bit of mud, unfortunately. So these are all going to need to be jet washed out properly and cleaned out, so they're ready to go for this weekend. So when I'm on site and I pick the kit up, we always check it, see what sort of condition it's in. Oh, there we go. Just in case we find something like this. Looking like, given that's entrance to the tent there, one of our wheel arches may have been used as a seat during a lunch break. So we've got a bit of damage there. Whiz around the rest of the other trailers, make sure we've got all of our kits. We've got 3 cables. These are 20 metre 16 amp cables here. They're pretty, well, not overly expensive, but £60 a time, you don't want to lose too many. So these were here for Cafe Nero. We've got fridge number 1, fridge number 2, and a freezer on the end there. Okay, so just check the rest of the other wheel arches. Those look okay. Got 3 cables, need a bit of a clean up. Everything else looks in pretty good order. So I'm going to hitch this first one up and we'll get this back to the yard ready for a clear up.
Oh, so it's tomorrow, be alright, won't it?
Not a bad day for install. So here we are, sunny Uckfield, just arriving to site now. We're about 40 minutes behind schedule. Just the first install was a little trickier than we would have liked. That's no problem, we can catch up. Just arriving now. Let's see how we go.